Hello worthy friends. In this video, we will discuss about how to understanding subconscious mind. The most prominent reason people fail to master their mind is due to not understanding how the subconscious works. The purpose of what we've discussed now will explain and offer a technique for reprogramming your subconscious state. Since our true power comes from our subconscious mind, it's essential to comprehend the differences between its role and the conscious mind's role. If you want to use your mind in order to attract something or change an aspect of your life, it's essential to use methods that delicately align you with the possibility of the subconscious mind. To alter results, we must access the subconscious being itself in such a way that allows it to cooperate and change any underlying directives or hidden decisions. Far more capable than any macro computer, the subconscious stores every event, occurrence, emotion, and circumstance. Subconscious programming happens very early. Most of this programming occurs between birth and 7 years old, but we are still programming our subconscious mind well until the age of 16. Children between 0 and 7 years old are learning more on a subconscious level than they do on a conscious level. All of that data is stored and is available for recall as we navigate our life circumstances. This portion of the mind contains all of the reasons you do what you do and believe what you believe. If you can't seem to change your mindset or make a desired change in life, the key will be held your subconscious mind. This subconscious does not work on logic. Likened to a video recorder, it doesn't judge or analyze, it simply tapes as it sees and hears. It also doesn't make any distinctions between right and wrong, or good and bad, when storing beliefs. What many people fail to realize about the subconscious mind is its vast complexity and potential. It's open for business and constantly working, absorbing information in the background even we're not paying attention. It is a guardian and a gatekeeper, using the data stored from events to deduct likely probabilities and prompt us accordingly. It rules the 5 senses, involuntary muscles, emotions and intuition, and is also responsible for communicating with the higher self to manifest everyday reality. Its capacity is virtually unlimited. Often, we will drift into an automatic mode of reaction based purely on subconscious instincts. The subconscious has no choice but to run as a default program unless told otherwise. The hindrance for most people that make the decision to consciously create their life in a deliberate manner is that they fail to make a full impression on the subconscious mind regarding their wish. They must untwist ingrained facts that don't serve them and replace them with ones that do to achieve desired results. As a person becomes more aware of the role of the subconscious and they are able to get in tune with its programming, they can reprogram it in a new direction guided by conscious awareness instead of social, parental, or any other type of past programming. Have you ever wondered why it's difficult for people to change beliefs? It's because the subconscious mind can distort facts, alter perception, or even let you see things that don't exist just to support what it has already established as fact. As an example, people who think that others don't like them can actually perceive other people's facial expressions in a way that confirms their beliefs. It's very normal for a person who doesn't think that people like him to mistakenly interpret a look or a gesture in such a way that further constructs his negative beliefs about himself. The subconscious mind carries the role of seeking out ways to establish truth and correctness, and does so in an uninterrupted and automatic fashion. Okay, my worthy friends, always keep the peaceful in your mind and grateful your life. Thank you for watching this video. If you mind, give us support by hit like and subscribe button. Leave a comment, tell us, so our YAW channel can be more developed and sustainable. See you in the next video.